get O2. You've requested that I play this with some guys on stage. So I should do the lesson on the same song, that the lumba, ankwanoma. The key is F. That's the F major. This is the F major chord on the second string. And the root here, another root. But the chord, the song is qual. When we say qual, we deal with fa, mi, most the guitarists than fa. So keyboards normally play fa, so, but guitar where we all play fa, keyboard will part to so. Sometimes guitars mi, but they all mean the same. So when we say qual, I have lesson on qual. So if you are new, just go to the qual and learn that. So we have but the guitar keyboardist will play it's the same chord progression. The idea is the same. Where we play mi, guitarist will play mi, keyboardist will play so. That's the substitute. Or it's relative minor. We've done relative minor chords, so it has come into this lesson. If you are new to relative minor chords, search for relative minor chords on the same channel here. You will find what are relative minor chords. But this one is a particular lesson, so we are doing a special request. The key is F. We are playing key F. This is F. We've done that. Fa and mi. Fa is B flat, so we are playing B flat major and B flat major and A minor. That is 4 and 3 chord progression. So you see, because we are playing rhythm, typical rhythm, it's good to play. You can play it that way, but that is too simple, or just a note. So because the fact that we know the song is qual, you have to go beyond ordinary playing mi, ti, do, no. So we play mi chord, but we see we have the T note. So that is B, A minor. Then we move to fa. But the whole concept is so making the song, the rhythm sounds good. So instead of, you don't play from the second string here, because that is not what we want. So we will jump to where the leading note is. If I say the leading note, this is what I call it, my leading notes. So we have that. So it has covered. So la la, so ti do. We've done that in mi fa, because when we play mi chord, we have T note in it. When we play fa chord, we have the do note in it. You see the same la note here. It is in the fa chord, but if we play this, the sound, the melody will turn upside down. So you see, we will not get what we want. But it is the same chord. We will divide the chord. If I say dividing the chord, it means we will jump to where the leading note, but within the same chord. You see, it has been different. Here, we play from the second. You see, fa from the fa chord, but we play this first time the do note lead led the chord. Second time the la here has led the chord. So the same technique. You see. So we have divided the chord according to where we have the leading notes. Let that one stick into your mind, because where we have the leading notes is where the concentration is. But we have to manage other notes, making the rhythm sounds good. So you see. So if you just play from, it will give us one note. You see. So we have to turn. You see, from the leading note has changed from so if you play this, it will be in a single form. So we have to the same chord. So making it you see that the best is to play with. So you see. So the same fa chord, but this time so the same fa chord. No. Re, mi. So that is how we divide the chord. Yeah. You see, you have to bring in the rhythm. Though it's the player played just one note. But if you wish, you can add yours to it, giving the chord scales, making the notes bright. You see, you can even back somewhere. Instead of standing there waiting, you can back somewhere. Making it very harmonically. But if you don't take care and play, you see, compare it to this one. There is a difference. The difference is too wide. So you have to do something showing that you can play. But as a beginner, you can do ti 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 do la la ti so mi fa la 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 so fa re mi. You can just play the melody notes and rehearse so that you understand. When you understand the chords, you can how you will add the chords and other notes. It will make it very easy. So don't worry yourself. If you are new on the channel, please don't forget to like the video, share, subscribe to the channel, because it's been amazing and wonderful lessons here. All the lessons for GC, you say I should do Oriental Brothers song. I will download it today and I will do the lesson for you. You don't worry at all. I will address every question. I have one, my friend, say I should do a lesson on Bob Marley. I will do that one too, so you don't worry. Thank you all for making me your friend, your number one here. You are all welcome. We shall meet very soon.